We are an urban mega church. Our job is to reach our community. We feed thousands of people every month.
We inaugurated 15 years ago, and right now we have about 70 to 80 active ministry.
I started the church with no money, no people, and actually financed the entire church on my own credit cards.
1 week in our worst time, AG Financial saved our church.
Our church in 2008 had our worst day. I know how bad it was. It was a bad day. And they came in and said, we still believe in your vision and we're gonna be your partner.
As a church, you look for something else. AG Financial, being a kingdom institution, knows the kingdom language. So for me, they're ministers, they're my partners.
They're a faith-led group that's saying, hey, we wanna partner with the local church.
We wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for AG Financial.